First of all, my name is Christian Sedsikinyal and I am going to report all about inventory. First, we must learn all about what is inventory. Inventory refers to all stock in the various production stages and its current asset. Second, the inventory is the accounting of items, component, parts, and raw materials a company uses in a production or a sales. So basically, inventory means stock of goods like raw material, work in progress, um, stores of finished goods and consumables and etc. So inventory balances are tracked or monitored by two inventory tracking system, which is periodic inventory system and perpetual inventory system. So there are two inventory tracking systems, which is periodic and perpetual inventory tracking system. First is periodic tracking system. This is a system of inventory which updates are made on periodic basis. Uh, it means wait, periodic tracking system updates inventory account at regular interval, and it is it is triggered by a physical inventory count, and which may happen in a month, a year, annually, or semi-annually. The advantages of periodic system is it is simple and have a low cost, and but however, since you are monitoring annually or monthly, the results could be delayed. Next is the perpetual inventory system. It involves tracking and updating inventory records after every transaction of goods, which means it continuously updates a inventory account as goods and are bought are as goods are bought and sold on a unit by unit basis. The advantages of perpetual inventory system is it is a in real time tracking, and however it may cost more, and it is expensive, and it is not always reliable like the periodic system. And now I'm gonna give examples to periodic inventory system. um, for example, we have a beginning inventory for 20 units, having a 5 pesos per unit, which is equal to 100 pesos. 100 pesos is 20 times 5. And now we ought to purchase another 80 units, which is also 5 pesos per unit. And that costs a 400 pesos. So our debit purchase is 400 pesos, and to be cashed also 400 pesos.
I choose to remain hopeful. Sarah Heron, please tribute to her feelings in Tara Pelfalter.
Next is we are going to our sales. We are going to sell our products or each units. For example, we are going to sell 70 units and 10 pesos per 10 pesos per unit.
Damang? Damang?
70 times 10 is, for example, our accounts receivable, I mean, is 700 pesos. Our debit will be, and our sales will be also 700 pesos. I got this 700 from 70 multiplied by this 10 pesos, and also 700 will be our profit. We go now to our ending inventory, which we physically counted our ending inventory in 150 pesos. And now we are going to solve our cost of gold entry. Good sold. Good cost of goods sold, which is 100 our beginning inventory plus 400, which is our purchase cost,
PhilHealth
minus
identification
X,
number
which
now
is
a requirement for
equal to
COVID-19
150,
vaccination.
which is our ending inventory. 100 is our beginning inventory. 400 is our purchase cost. And this X is our cost of goods sold. And 150 is our ending inventory. So we're gonna do some algebra here. Transfer X to the right. Yeah, kana. Kabalo na tatanan ana algebra. 150 plus 100 plus 400 is equal to X. 150 simplify. 150 negative 150 plus 100 is equal to 350. And now 350 is our cost of goods sold. Next is I am going to explain about perpetual inventory system. Our beginning inventory is the same, 20 units and 5 pesos per unit.
Kongking. Kongking. Kongking.
So we ought also again to purchase 80 units for 5 pesos also. Purchase is 400, the same as earlier. But here it is not purchase, it is inventory. Our debit will be in the inventory, 400 pesos. As I said earlier, 400 came from 80 multiplied by 5 pesos. And we also cash it in 400 pesos also. Again, we ought to sell 70 units. $700 pesos. It's also the same as earlier. We have to record our account receivable 700 and our sales.
Pero like Philippines, ano nila,
700 pesos.
Wow.
Difference is in here is we also monitor our cost of goods sold in selling. We also monitor it here. Unlike the periodic, our cost 70 multiplied by the our purchase amount, and that 350 will be the cost of goods sold. Inventory 350 pesos also. And now in our ending inventory, we can solve this in two ways. First, you have to write down your beginning inventory, which is 100 pesos plus 400 pesos. Ay no, mali og underline. Minus 350, which is the cost of goods sold, which is equal to 150 pesos. The other way is to solve it using your units. 20 first beginning unit, second purchase 80 minus the sold units is 70, which is 20 plus 80 minus 70 is 30, and then 30 times multiplied then 30 multiplied by 5 pesos is equal to 150 pesos. And that is all, sir. Thank you.